Hello, I'm Alan with ATMGurus.com. Today we're going to talk about replacing your battery in your T6 Keypad. The battery required is a proprietary 3.6 volt lithium battery. The tools required are an ESD wrist strap and an analog or digital multimeter. So let's get that battery changed in your keypad. Remember, you have 4.5 minutes before you lose your master keys. Remove the cover and remove your battery. And now you can measure the voltage on the battery. Should be 3.6 volts. Anything less, the battery needs to be replaced. Install your new lithium 3.6 volt battery and put the cover back over the battery. Thanks for watching. Remember, if you have any problems, you can always call us at Triton Tech Support.